Welcome to MBSE using DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop video, powered by tonex.com. MBSE using DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop will enrich your expertise in model-based systems engineering field with development design tools. DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop utilizes functional issues using DoDAF, UDDM and SysML perspectives, antiquities and outline types. DoDAF, UPDM and SysML Workshop covers DoDAF-2, UPDM2 and SysML themes. It acquaints movement of DoDAF 2.0 with UPDM 2.0 using model-based systems engineering, MBSE, with systems modeling language, SysML. The OMG SysML, the industry standard for MBSE applications. Learning objectives. Find out about DoDAF-2, UPDM2 and SysML. Give instances of combination of DoDAF-2, UPDM2 and SysML and pertinent use cases and situations. Separate between DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Clarify the job of DoDAF-2, UPDM2 and SysML and incorporating them with DoDAF-consistent framework structures, abilities and securing. Determine explicit qualities of the capacities and use of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Give instances of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML antiques and full framework lifecycle improvement. Work with agreeable DoDAF, UPDM and SysML instruments and procedures. Recognize among devices to integrate DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Investigate DoDAF agreeable framework using DoDAF-2 UML2 UPDM2 consistent instruments and visual demonstrating apparatuses supporting DoDAF-2, UPDM2 and SysML. Conclude a straightforward obtaining contextual investigation with DoDAF-2, SysML and UPDM2 demonstrating. Topics covered. Motivation behind integration of DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Unified profile for DoDAF and MoDAF, UPDM-TM, framework. MBSE, DoDAF, UPDM and SysML. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.